Greetings from Slovenia. This city behind me is called Portorož, and it's time for the very first beach adventure with Chris in Slovenia. And I feel so amazing to come here on this wonderful sunny Sunday, 12th of October. Currently it is 14:42 and it's a beautiful sunny day to take a swim into the Adriatic Sea on the coast of Slovenia. You can see there are very fancy hotels over there, to name a few: Hotel Riviera, Hotel Slovenia, Hotel Portorož, Hotel Apollo, Palace Hotel. Lots of fancy hotels, and I just love the nature all around that you can see. And there are 5 of these jetties that you can see. This one is number 1. And there are 4 more jetties along the coast, but also there are entries into the water also from the walking beach promenade, and 5 piers, so to speak. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and after taking 2 swims and 2 beach adventures earlier today in Umag, Croatia, that is just a half an hour ride away, and passing to a new country. Now I'm in Slovenia, and now I have been to 4 countries in 2 days, as I started my journey yesterday morning in Sweden, then flew to Italia, to Trieste. I was exploring there and took a swim. Then I went to Umag for 1 night or 2 days, and now I'm in Portorož for 2 nights. So I'm really looking forward to this swim. Here it is quite deep, it seems, and we are then going for a swim in Portorož. So Slovenia is a Balkan country that was part of Yugoslavia, and I can understand what they speak, but it's not the similar language as Macedonian is, my native language, nor Serbian that I can completely understand. And yesterday in Croatia and today I was talking on Croatian because it is very similar to Macedonian. So Slovenia, first beach adventure. Let's also check the temperature, if it is the same over here as in Umag, which was 22 degrees Celsius. So yeah, off we go with the thermometer, as I'm going to go. I'm not really sure how deep it is over here, but we're gonna find out very, very soon. So yeah, let's then take the first swim ever in Portorož, Slovenia. Oh, the water is a bit chilly here, or I don't know. Let's see. Ready, set, and go! And very white also the water when you look inside. Let's see, 22 degrees Celsius in the water, so that's decent enough for a nice swim in the sea with this lovely view of the city of Portorož. It's such a lovely view. If I have to rank, much better than Umag, as I love the nature all around. Oh, there's a seagull over there. And there is also a port, and I guess the name comes from Portorož, which means Rosh, it's pink, as it's similar to Macedonian word, but I don't know. So yeah, amazing day and the first beach adventure in Slovenia, in the city of Portorož. I'm so happy right now, and we'll be exploring also a few nudist beaches over here, as there are a lot over here, especially on the coast on the other side, which I'm going to go after I check in into my hostel. The check-in time is actually very strange, 4 p.m. So that's why I came directly from the bus to take a swim here. So yeah, a lovely day in Portorož. So now let me enjoy a nice swim, and thank you so much for watching this episode, my first ever beach adventure in Slovenia, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. beach adventures with dreams.